With her high starched collar and her high top shoes and her hair piled high above her head, she went to find a jolly hour on the trolley and found my heart instead. With my light brown derby and my bright green tie, I was quite the handsomest of men. I started to yen, so I started to 10, then I counted to 10 again. Clang, clang, clang went the trolley. Ding, ding, ding went the bell. Zing, zing, zing went my heartstrings. For the moment I saw her I fell. Chug, chug, chug went the motor. Bump, bump, bump went the brake. Thump, thump, thump went my heartstrings. When she smiled, I could feel the car shake. I tipped my hat and took a seat. I said I hoped I hadn't stepped upon her feet. I asked her name, then lost my breath. She looked so lovely that it scared me half to death. Buzz, 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 buzz went the buzzer. Flap, 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 flap went the wheel. Stop, stop, stop went my heartstrings. As she started to leave, I took hold of her sleeve with my hand, and as if it were a plan, she stayed on with me, and it was grand just to stand with her hand